What about
This is Grace hiccuping.
Is that a yam or is that a sweet potato?
I guess they're very close, but they are different.
They are different.
She ate too fast.
Because I told Dad I wanted sweet potato, and he went and bought yams, and he bought potato yams.
Come on, you're not making
They're very good.
There you go.
Once I had one of those, I eat them out of can anymore.
What, yam?
I had it fresh. I don't eat them out of can anymore.
The fresh sweet potato or fresh?
Yeah.
Well, he got the yams, they're called yams, but they're like a potato.
Yeah. Very good.
I had the sweet potato.
She scarfed it down in like 20 minutes, so it's no wonder she's
Yeah, I know,
got the
right?
hiccups.
They had the other night.
Don't judge anything by what you eat downstairs.
Yeah, but
That's the first thing.
It was good, and that's what I wanted for my turkey meal.
And this is her first outfit.
Yeah.
That says